Hi guys, JD with ICOtec Game Calls. Today I'd like to run through some of the features that we have on the Hellion and GC500 remotes. The GC500 and Hellion remotes are the exact same. The only difference is color. The GCX lineups, you have the Outlaw and the Night Stalker are the exact same, minus the color difference. The Saber remote control is set up very similar, but it only has one channel on it, so you're only going to have one play button and one pause button on that Saber. The layout on these remote controls is designed to be simple. One question we get commonly is, how do I place a sound into my favorites banks? So with the GC500 and the Hellion, you have two favorites banks. Each one holds 4 sounds each. To place a sound into the favorites banks, decide which one you want the sound into, scroll through your call list, highlight the sound, and simply press and hold the favorites key down until you see the screen change and show you your favorites bank. The sound will then be displayed into your favorites list and highlighted. To remove that sound, press and hold the favorites key again until it disappears, and that sound is taken back out of your favorites bank. Same setup with the GCX remote controls. They have 2 favorites banks as well, and they hold up to 10 sounds. To put a sound into one of your favorites, simply scroll through your call list, select the sound, and then press and hold the favorites key until you see the display change. To remove that sound, again, press and hold the favorites key until the sound disappears. With the Outlaw and the Night Stalker, each having 2 channels with the ability to play 2 sounds simultaneously, you also have 2 pause buttons so that you can pause those sounds independently and create your own custom scenario on calling stand. Me personally, I like to run on one of my channels coyote vocal, and then mix in a prey distress on the second channel. By doing so, that adds just a little bit of realism to the stand. Plus allows me, once I've hunted a certain area multiple times, to always be able to change things up and throw something a little different at those predators. Hopefully this information helps your hunt more enjoyable and hopefully more successful. Thanks for watching. ICOtec. Dead serious game calls and decoys.